Hey everyone! Today, I'm diving into an exciting topic: how AI is revolutionizing workplaces and what that means for us professionals. You're in for a ride, so let's get started. First off, artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword anymore. It's a real game changer in the professional sphere. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing decision-making processes, AI is everywhere. Imagine this. While you focus on creative problem solving, AI tools handle data analysis, scheduling meetings, and even answering routine emails. Now let's talk about AI-driven analytics. Companies are using AI to sift through massive amounts of data to find patterns and insights that were previously unnoticed. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about making smarter decisions faster than ever before. For instance, AI can predict market trends, helping businesses stay ahead of the curve and adapt quickly to changes. Moving on to communication, AI chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming the way we interact within the workplace. These tools are not only handling customer service inquiries, but are also becoming integral parts of internal teams, facilitating smoother and more effective communication. And here's a big one: AI in HR. From screening resumes to conducting initial job interviews, AI is making the recruitment process more precise and less biased. It's not replacing HR, but empowering them to focus on what matters most, the human aspect. But pause for a moment. With all these advancements, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications and the need for regulations to ensure fairness and privacy. Yes, AI is powerful, but it must be wielded wisely. Finally, let's not forget the personal growth aspect. As AI takes over repetitive tasks, professionals have more room to grow in strategic and creative roles. It's about leveraging AI to enhance our skills and expand our capabilities. So what's the takeaway? Embrace AI, understand its potential and limitations, and prepare to adapt. The future of work is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay ahead. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.